These are dog waste bags, and what that is, that's for picking up like a dog's like poo when they use the bathroom. But these Arm & Hammer ones are one of the best I've seen out there because number one, they have odor elimination in them, odor control with activated baking soda. You see that? It's so happy it's wanting to jump out of the bag here. Let me just show you one of these. This is a 90 count bag. This is the recycled content. They're large bags, grab and go. I'll show you, actually, let me grab my leash and show you how these little containers work inside the leash. So these little containers are pretty common on about every type of leash. You can actually just get these little containers by themselves. And what you do, you take this little bag right here, this little roll. I'll just go ahead and show you how it works, actually. So you take a roll. Let's get a fresh roll. Let me just load it for y'all and show you how a fresh roll works. This is 35% recycled material on this thing too. So you see how that's got a little spot down in there, cram that down in there like that. Put the lid back on. And I will leave a link to this leash. I really like this leash. It's padded and it has two different types of pull areas on it. It's got a very beefy hook on the bottom that rotates. So, and this is hooked onto this leash. So this is really cool. Watch this. So like I'm out walking Remo, he wants to use the bathroom. He goes ahead, use the bathroom. I just grab one of these, pull it like that, and just pull it. There it is. And you see the size of the bag. And these are 35% recycled material inside these bags. And I know I can't like explain how these things smell. They just have kind of like a baking soda type odor to them. You see the size. So no matter what kind of dog you have, you're going to be able to use this. And what I've seen also, if you've got a cat litter box, you don't want to scoop it real quick, get you one of these bags, scoop out like all of the cat poo, put it in a bag, and then throw it away, and you're good to go. So yeah, and you can see how strong these things are. Look at that. How long it took to pull that. That is stout. That's actually pretty strong material right there. But the number one thing that I like about these things is the fact that they're like odor removing. That helps a lot. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Arm & Hammer fresh scent waste bags. 90 count. And they come in 180 count. See y'all in the next video.